Hey guys, what's going on? It's YoAnty, and I've got a brand new sneaker unboxing coming in from Champ Sports. This is by far the largest sneaker package I've ever got. As you guys know, they sent me this amazing Gatorade cooler with the Jordan Be Like Mike 6s in there. It came with a hat, a sweatshirt, and trust me, that's still probably the coolest sneaker package ever, because I mean, it's a cooler. It's a cooler. However, they just upped the game because this is absolutely insane. This is a full, I don't even understand how they ship this thing. Like, this is, just for reference, this thing is, it's gotta weigh 50 pounds easily. It is like an actual Odyssey trunk that you would put sound equipment in, DJ equipment in, things that musicians and artists use on tour. There's this awesome metal plate on the top with an Adidas logo and a Champ Sports We Know Game logo. So, there's only one thing to do here. Let's crack these open. Let's crack these latches open and show you guys what is inside. This is not easy to do. I only have so much space here in this in my sneaker room here. So I'm gonna crack this open. This actually comes right off too. So I'm gonna take this off. This is no joke, guys. Right off the bat, there's a little card here. Adidas and Champs are promoting their Camo Pack NMD exclusive to Champ Sports. I'll read you a little card real quick. Through exploration, we find new ideas, new ways of thinking, new ways to create. Drop the needle on your exclusive NMD camo vinyl and be inspired by the 2 instrumental tracks pulled from the world of Rich the Kid. Check out the camo collection available exclusively at Champ Sports. So they're doing stuff with Rich the Kid right now. We've got some really cool photos and videos of Rich the Kid wearing camo NMDs. Since they've teamed up with him, they decided to do a whole music creation type pack. So I don't even know where to start. This is insane. There's a record player in this pack. A record player. There's a record player in here. This is unbelievable. Alright, where do I start? I'll start with this. There's a camo Adidas crew neck. Let's start with this. First of all, I love when Adidas does camo stuff. I think it always comes out really nice, and I love this duck camo look. And it's got this really cool fade on it too. It's like a darker green all the way up into that lighter olive, like that on the sleeves as well. Fleece on the inside, obviously really nice quality. Does have the Adidas logo stitched in white. So this obviously coincides with the NMDs that are gonna have camo on them as well. I guess let's get to the record player. I'll wait on the shoes. I'll do the shoes last. There's an NMD camo record right here. Love records. Grew up with a record player. My dad used to listen to Bob Marley albums in my basement when I was a kid, so first music I ever heard was from a record player, Bob Marley, from my dad. So I'm actually excited because I've been saying for a while I want to buy a record player. The only thing is, records are kind of expensive now. Like, you go to Urban Outfitters, records are like 30 bucks. I'm like, I thought records, shouldn't they be cheaper because they're old? You know what I mean? It'd be like going to buy a cassette tape and it's 30 bucks. Anyways, I'm gonna start buying some records and playing them. Here is the NMD Adidas Champs Camo record player. Pop that open. Even the turntable is camo, which is sick. Oh, a little piece just came off. Don't know. It's only the knob. It's probably not important, right? Whoop. Oh, yep. Whoops. Oh boy. It's been a while since I used a record player. Holy crap. We're back in business. So it comes with the cords, comes with a speaker as well. This is a DOS speaker, which also has camo on the top of the buttons as well. And then it comes with a wireless 2-in-1 receiver. So I believe I can get the record cranking on this and then get it to play out of these speakers. And I'll say this too, like, you know when people are like, oh, I had no idea anything was coming, and then that's usually a lie. They do know something's coming. I had no heads up on this. I was actually at work and my girlfriend got it. She's like, yeah, there's like a massive package here. You want me to see what it is? I was like, crack it open, see what it is. She's like, yeah, you're gonna wanna see this. And now let's get into sneakers. Here we go. Full box right here, normal NMD. This is the NMD R2, retail $130. Let's crack these bad boys open, pull both of them out. It is in a nice, dark olive green color. 3 stripes on there are a little lighter than the mesh, but obviously the big hits on these are camo laces, which is a really nice touch. Does come with extra black laces. Of course, you've got your boost, black pods, and then you've got your subtle camo branding in leather on the back. I really like how subtle the camo is. You know, it's mainly green, but I like that they didn't go all out and do too much camo. They kept it kind of subtle, where they only put it on the back heel And then on the laces, other than that, you have just different shades of green. The tongue has a nice soft nubuck patch with the Adidas logo. Pull tab is in black and green. I love the pull tab on the NMD and how it has the 3 stripes branding. So yeah, these are available at Champ Sports right now. I, of course, will have links in the description. I'm gonna have to get this record cranking. Follow me on Instagram stories. Once I get this all set up, I'll play the record. That way you can head over there. I'm gonna need some time to set this up. This is absolutely insane. Thank you to Jerry, the whole team over there. They do excellent work with sneaker creators online. I think it's so cool that they think of us and want to utilize our platform to help, you know, promote shoes and create packages like this. I'm still blown away every single time something like this happens, and I just don't understand. At this point, I don't know what else they could do to top the Gator package. I will say, Adidas did a nice one with Cousteau. They did a Yeti that had actual ice in the cooler, which was insane, but the cooler's been done. Now they're a record player with even this case alone. This case is like an actual Odyssey case. Like, these go for like a couple $100. These are legit. So I'm blown away. Let me know what you guys think. Is this one of the coolest sneaker packages you ever seen? The NMDs are available now on Champ's website. I love the way these came out. I wear NMDs all the time. Comfortable, easy to slip on. All right, guys, as always, you know you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Those links are in the description. Other than that, I'm out of here. Take care. Peace.